Alright, I have my images that I like to make black and white. So first, let's go up to Image and select Calculations. In here, open up the blending drop-down and you can hover over each individual look to preview it, depending on your image. Some will look kind of weird, but some will look really good. I think the soft light one makes a model look the best, so I'll select that. The next thing you should play around with are the channel drop-downs. For the ease, you'll have to actually select the option to see how it looks on your image. Once you're happy with how your black and white looks, click the result drop-down and make sure it's set to new channel. For this next step, you'll need the channels panel, so if you're missing it, go up to Window and select Channels. Once you have the channels open and only the alpha channel selected, use the Control, a keyboard shortcut, to select your black and white image. Then use the Control-C and keyboard shortcut to copy it. Next, we just need to add a new layer by clicking this little plus button at the bottom of the Layers panel. And then with the new layer selected, use the Control-V, a keyboard shortcut, to paste your black and white image onto the new layer. Okay, and there my image is black and white without damaging the bottom one. I can also toggle it on and off to compare it with the original. But yeah, that's all for me. So thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.